Oh yeah, baby. Are you ready for it to snow big, Big Daddy? Oh yeah, baby. October 19th, and I woke up to a light dusting of snow in the yard. More is on the way. They got 18 inches of snow up at Timberline last night. Oh yeah, baby. It's windy as hell, guys, but the snowflakes are starting to fall. I'm walking to work, and it's coming big. All right, guys, 10:45, and it's starting to snow a little heavier. Hopefully it's gonna come down big today. 11:45, super windy. Still barely snowing, but the storm is about to begin. Oh yeah, baby. The wind's picking up. We're doing it big. It's freaking like a tsunami up here. Oh yeah, baby, America. Come on, you dirty ravens. Oh yeah, they're gonna fight for the slice of pizza. Check them out. Yeah, get it, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, it's 1:15. It's starting to sleet. It's freaking blowing sideways. You probably can't see it, but sleet is coming down. All right, guys, it's 3:30, and the ground is covered in hail. Tiny little hail. It's sleet and hail mixed, and it's coming down big. All right, guys, it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and sleet and hail are coming down and covering the ground. It's super windy. Check it out. Yeah, that may look like snow, but it's actually hail. I can hear it hitting this truck right there. Doing it big. The hail is letting up, and now it's starting to snow. The ground is covered white. The storm is just beginning. 3:45 in the afternoon. The hail and snow and sleet have stopped. The ground is covered white. Oh yeah, baby, this is how we do it in Govt. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this winter weather update video. Until the next adventure, Mountainous out.